Hello guys, today we are on Scratch. So how do you actually make a clicker game in Scratch? Well, that is what we are here to answer it today. So first of all, we need to start off by making a variable called whatever we want our income source to be. For me, it'll be codes. And we want to, when green flag clicked, set codes to 0. And when this bright is clicked, change codes by 1. Now this is the most easy we can make the clicker game. As you can see, whenever we click, our codes increase by 1. And when we click the green flag, they reset to 0. So now that we have the most simple possible function added, we can add a bit more depth to it now, because as you can see, when we click it, really nothing happens. It's just really stale and boring. So to fix that, we can add on to this. When this bright is clicked, change size by 10, wait 0.01 seconds, and then set size back to 100. And if we want, we can also add this other little bit where, again, wait 0.01 seconds, and after setting brightness to 10, and it'll go back to normal. Really, it can be whichever one you want. But as you can see, now we have this really cool animation whenever we click it, so that's not just so stale and boring. So now, how do you actually create a simple shop function? Well, we are going to want a if-else block, and when this sprite clicked on top of there, and if we have under 100 codes, then, well, really it can be under whatever we want to price it, then absolutely nothing happens. We put nothing here. But if we do have enough, then we want to change codes by negative that number. And we want to make another variable called clicks per second. And we want to change clicks per second by whatever we want to. For me, it'll be 10. And now, as you can see, if we get back to 100 clicks here and buy it, then our clicks per second increases, but we don't actually get the clicks necessary. So to fix that, we want to add another bit of code. When green flag clicked, forever change codes by codes per second. But don't forget to add a wait 1 second block here. And now, as you can see, we are getting 10 codes every second. But we also can't forget to, when green flag clicked, set codes per second to 0. And now, how do you actually know if you have enough to buy it? Well, we are going to want basically another one of these, but if codes is under 100, instead of when this bright clicked, when this bright clicked, we want a when green flag clicked forever block here. If we have less than 100 codes, then set brightness effect to negative whatever number. For me, I like 10. And then if we do have enough, then set brightness to 0. And as you can see, now it's all darkened out. But if we get back to 100 codes, or whatever you want your income source to be, then it goes back to normal. Now simply all we need to do is copy and paste these to all our other sprites, depending on how many shop options we want to have. And some other things I like to add is, over here in backdrops, when green flag clicked, forever change color by 0.05, or whatever number you like. And what this does is it makes the background change color really slowly, so it just has like a nice aesthetic. Like as you can see, it's changing to teal and pink, but originally it was green and purple, and now it's changing to a darker tone with still pink, and then changing this part to purple and this part to red, and so and so. And it really doesn't do anything, but I just like to add it as a nice little aesthetic. And I also like to add this little shop side as a different layer so it doesn't like change color. And a one green flag clicked, forever go to back layer. And I also like to add an admin button, and all we need to do is when this break clicked, if username matches yours, then change codes by just an absolutely massive number. And as you can see, when we click the green flag and click admin, since our username is input here, we get this massively absurd amount of numbers. And that just about sums up what we want to do for a clicker game. Now, goodbye and see you on the next tutorial.